you.
I'm making a taco out of it, dude.
That is not a tortilla.
Just cheating.
I'm not cheating. I'm eating the. I'm not gonna. No, look, I have it in
It's
here.
worth the suffering that I'm
Let's
about
see it.
to.
Here's the ghost pepper, or not the ghost pepper. It's the
Like
what?
a hot dog.
It's a Carolina Reaper, or what is it?
You have milk.
Carolina Reaper.
I need a cup though.
like a
Once
hot
my
dog.
lips touch, it's tainted.
There's your piece, my friend.
I don't have a piece. I don't want a piece.
Do you want Minions or Avengers? Jeff?
I think this is fitting. I have the Disney princesses.
Wow.
He does play
I
volleyball.
have it.
I'll take the Hulk because that's kind of fitting.
Where's the sugar? Where's the sugar? Where's
Why
the
do you
sugar
need
up here?
Sugar. It's in the pantry.
They say sugar is.
Sugar.
Sugar,
Oh my
honey.
god.
That's
I
not.
don't
Maybe I
That's
should
not
look
the
up what I'm
pantry.
about to get myself into.
I don't see
dude.
sugar.
It's in the
Put your
pantry.
tongue on it,
Oh,
like,
pantry. Okay.
and see if you can taste spice.
No. If you touch it, you gotta pop it.
Just wait and do it all at the same time.
Where's sugar? I don't see sugar.
Up top, up, white canister.
Okay, right here. Okay, here's sugar.
That's flour.
Got
Why
the
sugar?
That's
No,
why.
this is sugar. I got the sugar. It's not cocaine. It's sugar. I got it.
What's the thing with the sugar? Like, why?
I don't know.
No,
I don't know. His dad did it, and it looked okay to me.
It
So
looked like anything would help.
It didn't look like it to me.
So are we going to
Okay,
pop
so-
this and then like we're swallowing, right? That's the
No.
deal?
You gotta chew
wait
it.
a minute. So
You have to chew.
No, I know.
did you want to come around
But
the front here?
what I mean is
Right, better
we
angle.
are.
Yes, our process is to completely eat it.
Okay.
Thomas, you have to eat
I don't
it.
know if I can, guys.
Thomas, you have to eat it.
You don't even know. Like, I'm freaking out. Seriously, I'm really.
This is.
No, I love it.
We're not getting
Just get a little bread like this.
Oh gosh,
Taco
guys.
it, dude. Taco it.
Seriously, I've seen YouTube. I've seen people like actually like.
Thomas, you
Get
stir
sick.
the ice cream
They're
enough.
children, dude. They're children.
No, they're not.
If you
They're
have
grown
to-
adults.
If you have to sit it out, that's okay.
You're gonna just do it
Just
like
do
that?
what you can, and then
Wow, I gotta have a little something, dude, on it. Just.
The flavor
This is
won't
also,
matter. in
this is
about
also
5
to
seconds.
just hold it right now too, but.
Which is probably really smart, honestly. But you still have to pick it up.
I still had to pick it up, but make sure you wash your hands.
Oh, I'm gonna watch him like
Don't
Thomas,
wipe your
stop
eyes.
stirring the ice cream, bro.
Get the show on the road, guys.
I know. It's just like getting it
just get
ready.
it. Just get it.
All right, come on. You ready?
Hang on, hey, dude.
Put it on the
seriously.
edge of your bite.
Can you touch it with your finger?
Do it in one bite. That's the thing.
Is your
dude.
finger burning?
You're not gonna go back for a
Your
second.
finger
So do it in one. One bite. All right, we need someone to count down here. We need to count down.
Okay, ready?
No, wait. We need to do it. Are we committed to do it on 3 or something?
Hang on, dude.
How about
Seriously,
5? Count
I
down
feel
from 1.
peer pressure.
Peer pressure!
Give me a second.
Do you have your milk ready?
I feel like my eyes are burning.
Hang
Why are
on.
they burning?
Can I coat my mouth
In the
real
air
quick? Can I
now?
just drink it? No.
Go for it. Yeah, coat it with whatever you want. See, now it won't burn.
Okay, ready? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
No, eat it. Eat it. Whole thing, bro. Savor it. Flavor? You okay? It's hot. I got pieces in my mouth.
Fire! Oh my! Where's the hydrant?
He's still chewing. You should stop chewing.
Oh my gosh! My mouth's on fire! Oh my gosh!
You should stop chewing. It's
Oh
making it
Lord!
worse.
Oh my gosh! My tongue! I can't feel my tongue! I can't.
Not good for you!
Oh my gosh!
Drink your milk.
Drink your milk. Drink your
Oh
milk.
my god.
Don't want that.
My mouth hurts.
Oh my god. Gotta move the phone.
I could not understand what you just said. It didn't make any sense.
My eyes, dude, look at
I
your
gotta
eyes.
move the phone.
Look at your eyes. Oh my gosh.
Don't laugh right now. I can't help it. Oh god.
Get
It's
over
so
the seat.
hot.
Get over the seat.
My tongue is on fire. Mine too. No. True friends, Thomas. True friends.
Get your milk, dude. You haven't even drink
Hold it in your mouth, like you said.
My tongue, dude. It's numb.
It's like, oh my god. Oh, holy hell. Holy hell, dude.
He just spit all over me.
It's Thomas' fault. I can't drink it. It's hilarious. Sorry.
Oh shit. It's not right, dude. It feels like somebody put a nail in my tongue and hit a hammer. Split it. Where's my milk? Oh my god.
Oh,
It hurts.
freaking hot.
You don't cry as much as I do. What?
I'm crying, dude.
He had the pepper hot dog, so his had a little barrier.
Oh,
You were lying.
This is buffered.
Well,
Did you
so
eat the
much for
whole
this
thing?
Better Homes magazine.
did you eat the whole thing or did you spit it out?
Oh my goodness.
I couldn't swallow it, dude.
Spit it out?
No.
I guess we'll have to try again, Thomas.
Oh my gosh. My tongue, dude.
Wow.
We're doing the world's hottest pepper mediums, Thomas.
Is that the world's hottest pepper we just did? The world's hottest pepper. And I feel like it.
I do too.
Audrey.
My tongue, seriously, dude. My tongue. I can't.
It's not gonna go away for a while.
Daddy, cray cray.
Please start to say crazy.
Ah.
Please.
Ah.
I will give you some milk.
Now your fingers are gonna burn.
I wash my hands right now.
See, work.
Oh.
Hey, Drew. Say, Daddy, cray cray.
You want the milk? Yeah, go for it.
I've never had really anything hot in my life. That was hot. Really, really hot. I can't feel my tongue right now. It's really, really hot and numb and painful.
They're like needles stabbing me in the mouth. I feels numb all around.
Thomas.
My nose is watering. My eyes are watering. My nose is. I'm beginning to hallucinate a little bit.
Jared, any final words?
That was easy. Nothing to it.
And tears are streaming down his face.
It was,
Need some of that.
yeah, it was fine.
It's fine. Really hot. Way hot.
You put the ice cream in your mouth and it just melts immediately.
I didn't swallow it. I couldn't.
Let me clean up your forehead.
I had to spit it out because I couldn't handle the thought of that like in my gut. Like,
Don't worry, it's going away.
but
Do it
My-
better. Little.
my tongue, God.
Here you go.